Okay, making a quick video of the relay tester. You have to connect it to the 12-volt battery, but it has to be 13 volts and over for this shit to work. Sorry for the language, for this thing to work. Otherwise, it won't not work if it's at 12 volts. It has to be 13 and over for it to work. This is the good relay. So let's test out the good one, and then I'll show you what a bad one looks like. Okay, so I showed the green one, right? Here's what a bad one looks like. Since you never see them in videos, I decided to upload this one. So here we go. Bad. Test. Bad. Okay, that's what a bad one looks like. It will stop the test right there where it's at. Again. Oops. Here's a good one. And again, it has to be 13 and over volts. It won't work at 12. So it's a good one. And here's a smaller relay, 5 pins. This one's good. Oh no, this one's bad. Okay, so I dropped that one anyways. It wasn't good anyways. But go ahead and test this one out. That's the good one. So that's what a good one looks like, and you guys already seen what the bad one looks like. I don't have this connection relay. Unfortunately, I only had these two. But there you go. Now you know what a bad one looks like.